Hello everyone, this is Dr. Gowdy from Goa. I would like to wish you a happy new year 2025. Today we will discuss a small rubric but very important rubric, and many times we have used this rubric in our practice. Forsaken feeling or abandoned. Forsaken or abandoned means they are left completely or they are left by the loved ones when they need them the most. So whenever you get this feeling that you are not being loved or you are neglected or you are not getting that much attention as how you was getting before, whenever patient complain of such type of things, you can consider this rubric. I will give you one small example of my case. One 8-year girl came in my clinic, her mother complaining of recurrent cold and cough since 8 to 9 months. Ever since her mother started working. Previously only father was working, but now her mother also joined the work because of some financial issue, and now she was feeling lonely at home. She has to stay with a grandmother and she was feeling that nobody is loving her or nobody is at home. Her mother is not there. She was missing her mother so much, and ever since then she started getting this recurrent cold and cough. Considering the other symptoms, I have given her pulsatilla and she has recovered very well from her illness. Let's consider one more scenario and try to understand whether we will use this rubric in that scenario or no. Manoj, an elderly person, recently kept in an old age home by his son who has got married recently. Immediately after marriage, he kept his father in the old age home. So will you use the rubric forsaken feeling in this scenario? Just pause the video and comment in the comment box. In this scenario, it is quite obvious that you will feel forsaken. You will feel that your children don't love you. You might feel abandoned. You might feel that you are separated from the family. So I might not use this rubric in this scenario unless the severity is marked 3+, and unless the time duration, if he is not getting recovered from this impact within few months, then I can use this rubric. And if he try to recover from it and he is getting adjusted in the old age home, then we will not use this rubric. Thank you for watching this video till end. And if you have learned something from this video, kindly like this video, subscribe this channel for further notification. Thank you.